Hi friends! Welcome to Hunter Engineering. In this video we are going to learn how to use palette tool option while drawing a sketch in Creo parametric software. Enter into Software by doing double tap on Creo icon. Click on New option. Select Sketch option as a type. Give any file name. Click on OK. Go to Palette tool, click on that. It is showing different sections like polygons, profiles, shapes and stars. Under each section, number of option lists are showing. Now we're drawing polygon by selecting the option called six-sided hexagon. Double-click on it. This cross-section has only one constraint to specify, that is radius. It is distance between center point to outermost point on peripheral circle. So now, enter the radius. Now we'll go to another section called Profiles. Select I Profile. Double tap on it. In this you have to specify one constraint to this section. According to dimension, web, and flange dimensions will adjust. Thank you.